Good evening, everybody. During the feasibility study, our team discussed the problem we're trying to solve, what will be our approach to solve it, and the goals to be accomplished during the semester. The problem we're trying to solve is to predict the chances an entrepreneur applying for a startup program has to succeed in the current market with the presented idea. This prediction would help reviewers during the application process to make a decision about accepting or declining the application. The current application form is very basic and includes general questions about the idea and current status. However, there are no psychological questions involving applicants' attitude and skills that can determine an entrepreneur's success. Our approach to solve this problem consists of identifying a set of psychological factors that are common to all successful entrepreneurs, as well as their relevance in an overall evaluation. We're conducting a research using internet data about successful entrepreneurs combined with the venture capitalists' criteria for their investments to finalize a list of skills and their weight. Those skills will be validated with the help of current startup mentors. The next step is to create a bank of questions to assess each skill with the help of the psychology department at FIU. Those questions will have a rate that initially will be 0. We will implement an algorithm to pick a predefined number of questions for each skill and create a questionnaire that will be added to the current application process. Those questions will be picked based on their rate. The questionnaires results will be saved and available to reviewers when making their decision. At the end of each cohort, reviewers will provide a feedback for each entrepreneur who completed the program based on their progress. The feedback will be stored as a percentage rate representing the entrepreneur's probability of success within the next 5 years. Here is an example of a set of skills that could be assessed in the questionnaire, as well as the percentage they will have. Another important aspect in the algorithm is the entrepreneur's feedback, since it will determine how questions are rated and skills are weighed. Therefore, we think that the feedback should be calculated based on the investment criteria set by venture capitalists, which includes the following aspects among others: the credibility and quality of the business plan, if the entrepreneur has a business plan with patent technology, if the entrepreneur has a good management team, if the entrepreneur has enough market knowledge, and the expected profit margin within the next 5 years. All these aspects will be translated or will be calculated and represented as a percentage rate, and it means it represents the probability to be a successful entrepreneur within the next 5 years. The algorithm to generate the questionnaires will be optimized based on the question's rate, and it will be able to remove low-rated questions. It can also rearrange skills weight based on the entrepreneur's feedback provided each cohort. Our goals for this semester includes the main goal is to generate a questionnaire that will be included in the current application process. Also, reviewers will be able to check the questionnaires results for each applicant during the approval process and generate reports by cohort. Reviewers will also access a user interface to provide feedback for each entrepreneur who completed the program. We will also provide a super admin interface that allows adding and modifying current skills, weight, and questions used to generate the questionnaires. So this has been our feasibility study. Thanks for watching the video.